So I'm sitting here by the water thinking and thinking, but I just had to come in here and really, you know, share this with you. Did you know that 20% of small businesses fail within their first year and 50% don't make it past the 5-year mark? The number one reason is no clear business plan. Don't let that be you. Let me break down how to create a solid business plan, step by step, to set your beauty business up for success. Yes, I think of some weirdest things in the weirdest places, but I just have to share this with you. A business plan isn't just a document, it's a roadmap to success. It outlines your goals, your strategies, and your financial plan while helping you stay focused and make smart decisions, like vacation. Without one, you're just guessing. Let's break down why every beauty professional needs a solid business plan so that you can create more time freedom and sit at the beach like me. Creating a business plan sounds simple, but many entrepreneurs run into the same roadblocks. First, it's lack of clarity. Not knowing your exact goal or target audience can make your plan vague and ineffective. Then there's the financial struggle, estimating costs, the profit, and pricing. It all can feel overwhelming without proper research. And another challenge is overcomplicating or overthinking the plan. Some people get so caught up in the details that they lose sight of the big picture. And lastly, ignoring flexibility. A rigid plan doesn't allow for growth or unexpected changes. A strong business plan should be clear, realistic, and acceptable. So let's tackle these challenges head on. Okay, so a business plan is essential for success, and it starts with the marketing analysis because this helps you understand your target audience, help you understand your competitors and your industry and your location. You'll need to research trends, customer needs, the potential gap in the market in which you're going to position your business effectively. Not there's just the financial projection. This is where you forecast your revenue, your expenses, your profit for the next 3 to 5 years. Be sure to include your startup costs, your operating expenses, and how you plan to fund your business. You need investments. Are you going to get loans? Finally, make your marketing strategies outline on how you plan to attract and retain customers, from social media campaign to traditional advertising. This is your blueprint for building brand awareness and driving sales. These key components are the foundation of any business plan and should be crafted with care to set you up for success. So let's take Dry Bar for example. A popular hair salon brand as an example. When they first launched, they had a solid business plan that laid out their marketing analysis, the financial projections, and their marketing strategy. First off, they identified the gap in the beauty industry, which is affordable blowouts without high salon prices or the full package. With a clear plan, they created a streamlined business model and focused on delivering a unique service experience. Now, their business plan helped them scale quickly, which helped them expand into multiple locations and secure investments. So Dry Bar growth is a testament to the power of a well-executed business plan in the beauty industry, turning a simple concept, right, into a multi-million-dollar brand. Think about it. So creating a business plan involves identifying your goals, conducting market analysis, setting your financial projections, and outlining your marketing strategy. A solid plan guides your decisions, it attracts investors, and it helps your business thrive. because ultimately you want to reinvest into that business to become a franchise or do more. So if you're ready to turn your beauty business dreams into reality, I need you to download our startup business plan for beauty professionals, a easy and simple ebook. It's going to give you step-by-step guide to your success in beginning to lay out how your salon business plan looks. Now, don't delay. Click the link down below. Get your startup business plan for beauty professionals today. And I'll see you in the next lesson as I enjoy this view.